Got everything out, built me a new workbench back there. We got our own table, got us a little stove to temper our steel, our knives. So got everybody coming over today and we're gonna do some forging. So cool, until then. All right guys, we're gonna light the charcoal forge here in a second, right over there by the forge. We got everything pretty much up and out, ready to go. Just waiting for everybody to get here. Coolio. Look around. Yeah. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Took one for the team. GoProing. You got a serrade blade over there.
Exactly.
And it's dull, so he's gonna have to chop at it for a while. Yeah.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah, yeah, it works out great. That right there, that speed right there, will turn that damn.
See that right there, son? That metal right there? Yeah, don't touch that. It had a wooden handle.
I'll wash my cup in a minute.
Right?
Yeah, because it
I told David, I said, throw that in the fire and we'll burn the handle out.
Thank you.
And I'll make a handle for it. Within 5 minutes, that whole sumbitch was as red as his cup and the wood is completely gone.
Yeah, and I think
5 minutes.
I think it melted the wedges that were holding the wood handle in. And this is just charcoal. He bought another 50 pounds of coal. Once we get that in here and we get it burned and set right,
You be able to forge wood?
should be able to. Oh, and I rechecked that again the other night on the internet. Forge welding has to be over 1800 degrees.
Take that blade off my grinder.
Oh, we're recording the whole day. Yeah, I let it normalize. I just let it sit there.
It's still a little bit warm.
It was so hot when I quenched it in the water, it pulled off like an inch of scale. That's how hot it was. It was malleable, like you could flatten it out, for sure. Is anybody going to be doing any knife? We're going to quench and temper today.
depends on how far.
Oh, well, charcoal. Now the wind's gonna blow right at y'all. It's like $14 a bag, and that was only a half a bag, and we've been doing this. I started the fire at 10 something. It's on.
Huh?
It's on.
No, I'm talking about your mouth. I got cheese everywhere.
Oh. Oh.
So she's on the back side of you. She already knew.
She can see the reflection of your glasses. Be quiet. You're not allowed in the forge. Keep it to yourself. Here we have the gourmet table with the gourmet food. Oh, Jesus Christ, yes.
Okay, now, yeah, okay, whoa, yeah, oh. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, over here. Okay, come around this side, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right here, Derek, put that in the hole. There you go, now we'll move on you. You can round it back out.
Look at the gap.
That's better.
I thought the gap closed a little bit, but
Maybe
still
give
better
it,
though.
Yeah, maybe give it a little bit of tap to flatten it out. There we go. Well, it's still a little, but not bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's let it normalize, and I'll weld that crack up. I'll put a little bit extra weld so you can weld it, grind it down.
Okay.
But we'll have to let it normalize.
David, my wife wants to handle something. You know what I need? I need a couple of wedges for that tool.
Metal
Put it-
wedges.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're like to maybe heat one of these up, you can let her hammer
Yeah,
and just make wedges out of something like that.
yeah. I mean, yeah, whatever.
If you don't mind.
No, I don't need it. You want me to put it in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's one right there. Now what I want you to do, if that's the little piece David's got, I want one side of it to be sharp. So you want to hammer, you want to try to thin out one side of it. So it's like a wedge.
I feel like this might. Yep. I feel like this might touch somebody. I'm gonna move this over here.
That's fine, buddy.
Cause then that, and no, if no one's thinking about it,
Whatever you want.
usually the hammer side's not hot, so, and you can kind of hold the hammer better. But that hammer's too heavy. We got smaller hammers.
Oh, that hammer's too heavy.
Give her that little ball peen or that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, all you gotta do is, all she's doing is flattening one side out.
Yeah.
Here, use this one, damn it.
So here's your tongs. So all you gotta do is when it's hot, reach in and pinch it, and it's getting there pretty quick. Get it hot. And just hold it.
So put this down.
Yeah, or well, it's whatever. And then when it gets hot, just hold the metal flat as you can on the thing and pound on one side of it. All right, just grab that in right there, squeeze the shit out of it, and take it over there and hammer that red cherry side.
You can't get a Dremel?
I don't have a Dremel.
Dave does.
Perfect, just like that. Yep.
Excuse me, Tristan.
Wow.
While you're
it's not-
standing here in the way.
Damn, it's not gonna take long either. It's, oh, we have a professional wedge maker. Got it.
What's up, bud?
He's gonna cut that in half and put it inside the wood.
Oh.
Huh? I'm videotaping.
Oh, you're talking about for in the handle?
Yeah.
The slit in the handle?
You might want to get me up with
Give
the
it to me.
file.
Huh? I am.
This is exciting.
It's been running. I'll come get a close up here in a second.
Yeah, I want to see the shaving fly off the
Yes.
file. As I drive it.
Yeah, it should be hot. Paint the shit out of it. Oh yeah. Do some close up. Oh yeah.
Even pressure.
Yep. Get some sanding. Oh yeah. Some filing.
Triangle file
Triangle file
for the corners.
for the corners. And my crappy vise. Nice. We'll give you a little bit more.
I can make it look nice, but I just can't get it to.
That should do it. That sounds like the song. That fucking song.
What?
The beginning of it. Dink, 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 dink. The Cheech and Chong song. You gotta keep them separated.
Oh.
There's lots of things I'm not good at.
Yeah.
Really?
Tristan has been sitting there doing that forever, and look, you don't hear him complaining. Get after it. Come on.
I mean, when you're wearing it as a necklace and someone sees it, you want them to think like, damn,
I
damn.
made that.
And they're like, what retard can you steal that from?
The one with the crutches.
Yeah. I ran jack as shit.
We have the circle of sanding. Mm-hmm. Yep. I know. We smoked their ass.
Let's celebrate getting our ass.
Yeah.
So that's why they celebrate it.
Oh.
And they celebrate the Day of the Dead. They celebrate a bunch of dead people.
Well, that's like our Halloween, though.
Yeah, it's like a giant funeral for all their ancestors.
You ever seen the movie? The Walt Disney movie, Day of the Dead? I think it's called something else, but it's no,
Walking Dead?
no,
Dead by Daylight.
no,
Shaun of the Dead.
no. That's a cool movie though,
It is a good movie.
with the British guys. I just watched the other one.
Hot
We're-
Buzz?
Yeah, Hot Fuzz.
All the old people? Yeah, with
Yeah.
Simon Pegg and Nick Frost.
Yep.
They don't even have Top Gun on Netflix or Hulu.
I have Top Gun here if you want to borrow
We
it.
used to have Top Gun on Netflix. They took
Yeah,
it off.
yeah. It's off now.
I miss Netflix. I like Netflix.
I know. I said Top Gun
Man,
is not on Netflix.
Daredevil on Netflix. Best show on TV.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
I skipped
good. It's
I skipped
very
Daredevil. Him and Chris Rock. I mean Chris Rock. Him and The Rock grew up like two streets down from one another. And The Rock's like, don't rush me to that motherfucker. I'm way better than him. Now to forge out the pain.
That's good. Because I think with the Wellbutrin, he felt. Was it the Wellbutrin that you felt like you were like on fire? Was it that one? No, you don't understand.
You're going to be wiping his ass.
Yeah.
Making an oak handle for this bad boy.
For the mutant machete.
And because my stupid ass